Cristiano Ronaldo became football's first $1 billion man in 2020. 1 year later, he hasn't slowed down. In over 18 years as a pro, Ronaldo has raked in over $650 million in just football contracts, while over 40% of his earnings, around $400 million, come from endorsements. So, how does CR7 spend all this money? Let's talk transportation first. Ronaldo is a supercar connoisseur. 2 Bugattis, one of which is the most expensive ride in his garage. A Bugatti Chiron with his personal CR7 logo, worth over $4.7 million alone. Also 3 Ferraris, an F430, a 599 GTB Fiorano, and a 599 GTO, a Rolls-Royce Phantom, 2 Lamborghini Aventadors, and a Mercedes-Benz G-Class, just to name a few. With all his money, Cristiano also has more than one way to get from point A to point B. After winning his second consecutive Serie A title with Juventus in 2020, Ronaldo purchased a $7 million 27-meter-long yacht. It includes a large kitchen, 5 cabins, and 6 bathrooms. Cristiano also has a private jet, a Gulfstream G200 that is worth over $27 million. It can fit up to 10 passengers, has a top speed of 560 miles per hour. Transportation is just the beginning, though. Like many other iconic athletes, Ronaldo has a sense for fashion. He flaunts some of the most high-end luxury items in the world, such as his watch collection. This includes a Tag Heuer Carrera Calibre Heuer 1 and Grand Carrera, a $160,000 Jacob & Co. watch, and the most expensive watch Rolex has ever made. He also has the money to make other outlandish purchases. You can see that here with the wax figure of himself that he bought for over $30,000 in 2015. But Ronaldo owns more than just fast cars, top-tier designer clothes, and wax statues. What about where he lives? He has owned over 5 mansions and other various living options, each being worth millions. This is what he currently owns. In 2015, he purchased an $18.5 million apartment in New York City's Trump Tower, a 2,500 square foot penthouse with 3 bedrooms. He also has a 7-story, $9.6 million mansion in Funchal, Portugal, a $1.6 million vacation home in Costa del Sol, Spain, and a mansion in Turin that has 2 adjoining villas, a personal gym, and swimming pool. So, where does all this money come from? Right around 60% from football and 40% from endorsements and investments. In 2020, he was number 4 on Forbes' highest paid celebrities list, behind only Roger Federer, Kanye West, and Kylie Jenner. While Ronaldo is making over $64 million per year with Juventus, his marketability is drawn in millions as one of the most iconic faces to the world's most popular sport. He's the most followed person on Instagram at over 275 million and has endorsements with major companies like Electronic Arts, Tag Heuer, and Nike. Ronaldo's Nike deal is a lifetime agreement that is worth more than $1 billion, making him just the 3rd athlete to sign a lifetime deal with the company, joining Michael Jordan and LeBron James. He also started his CR7 brand in 2006 that sells everything from cologne to footwear to eyewear. Additionally, Cristiano is a part owner of his Pestana CR7 hotels that opened in 2017. While making hundreds of millions of dollars, Ronaldo has also been one of the world's most charitable athletes. He's an ambassador for UNICEF and World Vision, has split bonuses with charities, given $165,000 to a Portuguese cancer center, and donated $83,000 for a fan's brain surgery. Cristiano Ronaldo will continue to make money long after his playing career, but in the meantime, fans all over the planet can continue to watch him tear it up on the pitch.